Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given our root of x by y plus root of y by x is equal to 4 1 by 4. X by root y plus y by root x is 16 1 by 4. We have to find the values of x and y. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Like this, Olympiad logical and critical problems will be uploaded from this channel. So that you can get the latest updates and you can get the knowledge. So if you like the video, share the video to your friends. So your subscription is very important because it is a new channel. Your encouragement is very important now. So pause the video for 10 seconds and watch whether you will get the solution. Any ideas are there. If you are having any better ideas, you can comment in the comment box. And your suggestions are accepted. So here given root of x by y plus root of y by x is equal to 4 1 by 4. So here you can do in a short way. So you can write it as 4 plus 1 by 4. That is another one way you can complete root of x by y is this value. So here I am doing in the long process. So let root of x by y is equal to k. That implies k plus 1 by k is equal to 17 by 4. So k square plus 1 by k is equal to 17 by 4. 4k square plus 4 is equal to 17k. 4k square minus 17k plus 4 equal to 0. 4k square minus 16k minus k plus 4 equal to 0. So 4k into k minus 4 minus 1 into k minus 4 equal to 0. K minus 4 into 4k minus 1 is equal to 0. K is equal to 4 or 1 by 4. So this one we can do in short way. So root of x by y is equal to 4. That implies x by y is equal to 16. That implies x is equal to 16y. If you take the second case, root of x by y is 1 by 4. X by y is 1 by 16. X by y is 1 by 16. X is equal to 16x is equal to 16x is equal to y. Okay, now we have to find x and y values. So I am taking case 1 now. Case 1, x is equal to 16y. X equal to 16y. So here you are taking this and you will replace in second one now. So what is the second one? X by root y plus y by root x is equal to 16 1 by 4, that is 65 by 4. So here what will get x by root y root x y by root x. So here if you substitute x value 16y by root y plus y by root of 16y is equal to 65 by 4. So here root y cancel. 16 root y plus here root y by 4 is equal to 65 by 4. So here what will get? Let us take root y is equal to p. For our convenience, we are taking root y is equal to p. 16p plus p by 4 is equal to 65 by 4. So here 64p plus p by 4 is equal to 65 by 4. So here 65p by 4 is equal to 65 by 4. Therefore p is equal to 1. That is nothing but root y is equal to 1. That implies y value is 1 now. If y value is 1, then x value will be 16y, 16 into y. So x value will be 16. So 16 comma 1 now. This is case 1. Now if you go to case 2, so here also we are having the same process. So y is equal to 16x. Okay. So x by root y plus y by root x is equal to 65 by 4. We are replacing in the second one now. So here x by root of 16x plus y means 16x by root x is equal to 65 by 4. So here what will get root x by 4 plus 16 root x is equal to 65 by 4. So in the same way you can take root x equal to k. So k by 4 plus 16k is equal to 65 by 4. So 16k plus 64k by 4 is equal to 65 by 4. So 65k by 4 is equal to 65 by 4. K is equal to 1. Now k value is nothing but root x. Root x equal to 1. That implies x is equal to 1. Squaring on both sides. Y value is 16 into 1. Y value 60 now. So here we are getting 1 comma 16. So these are the two possible solutions. One is 16 comma 1. Another one is 1 comma 16. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.